Hello po sa ating mga kababayan at nagpapasalamat po ako sa ating mga bagong subscriber natin ngayon. At naway patuloy niyo po akong samahan muli sa bidyong ito mula sa simula hanggang sa huli. Ang topic po na ating tatalakayin ngayon ay why mature age students often succeed. Bakit karaniwan na ang matured age student ang mga nagtatagumpay sa pag-aaral? Okay po. Ito po ang dahilan. Here are the key reasons why mature age students often succeed in university. Research and university experience show that success is influenced more by mindset and life experience than by age. Okay po, by mindset and life experience. Una, number one, clear purpose and motivations. Matured age students usually return to university with a clear reason. So alam niya mismo, mayroon siyang malinaw na dahilan bakit siya mag-aaral. Tulad ng aking mga binanggit na ng mga nakaraang video na kailangan alam mo kung anong dahilan bakit ka mag-aaral. Dahil ba sa iyong pangarap, sa dream mo, o dahil gusto mong upskills or change career. Ayan po. Tulad nito, yung sinasabi nga na career advancement, yung career change, yung personal achievement, yung providing a better future for their family. Yun po. At yung sinasabi ko nga po mga nang nakaraan nating video, kapag itong apat na to ay nasa sa iyo, mataas ang iyong resilience. Okay po? Because their goals are clear, they are often more focused and determined than younger students. Ayan po. Yung po ang dahilan. And then second po, life and work experience. Years of work and life responsibilities help mature students develop. Okay po? Problem-solving skills, critical thinking, practical understanding of real-world issues. Ito po, itong binabanggit ko po ritong life and work experience na to, ay mahalaga po ito. Kung paano, mahalaga po ito sa susunod na natin topic na tatalakayin. Babalik po tayo sa mga susunod na ating tatalakayin sa susunod na mga video. Bakit gaano ka-importante ang life and work experience? Okay po. These experiences help them connect theory with real-life situations, making learning more meaningful. Yun po. Number 3, strong time management. Talakay na po natin to. Many mature age students balance work, family, study, and even sometimes other activities like volunteer and some other social or community responsibilities or other organization responsibilities. Yun po. Because of this, they often develop better time management and discipline. Yun po pala yun. Which are essential for academic success. Ayan po. Next po, higher level of commitment. Returning to university is usually a deliberate decision, not just the next step after high school. Matured age students often value the opportunity more, take assignments seriously, participate actively in class discussion. So, ibig sabihin po nun, kailan palang student ay committed. Ano po? High level of commitment. Committed and dedicated. Okay po? Next, emotional maturity and resilience. Ito yung binanggit ko kanina. Yung merong strong resilience. Older students typically have stronger emotional control, patience, persistence. When challenges arise, they are more likely to adapt, so adaptable ka. Seek solutions, so hindi ka pumapayag na isa lang ang solusyon mo, marami kang mapamaraan ka. Gumagawa ka ng mga pamamaraan, hindi ka papayag na wala kang solusyon at hindi ka papayag na tatanggapin mong talo ka. And continue moving forward. Ayan po. Next, confidence from experience. Having worked in different environment, matured students often have better communication skills. Napaka-importante po ito mga kasama. Ito sa mga susunod na ating mga video, tatalakayin po natin to. Confidence to ask questions, ability to collaborate with others. Okay po? It helped them engage more effectively with professors and classmates. So, tandaan po natin ito mga kasama ko. Tatalakayin po natin to confidence for experience. About better communication skills. Next, research supports their success. Research from the University of Tasmania has shown that the age does not negatively affect academic success, even among learners aged 50 to 79. This reinforces the idea that determination and experience are stronger predictors of success than age. Ayan po. Malinaw na malinaw po yan. So, success in university is not determined by age. It is determined by what? Motivation, discipline, experience, persistence. Ayan po. Matured age student may start later, but they often run the race with greater purpose. Ayun po pala yun. Ayan po. Mga kababayan, sa mga susunod na video ay doon natin tatalakayin ang malalim na pag-aaral tungkol sa research about study age factor. Ayan po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsuporta. Paki-subscribe po ang aking video YouTube channel na ito. Paki-like, comments, at share po sa ating mga kababayan. Naway, nakapagbigay po ako sa inyo ng inspirasyon. Maraming salamat po.